Yo, what it is, family? Y'all already know what it is, man. You ready from the title, man. I'm back at it with another banger, you heard me, man. Pressure busting all your lip pipes. You heard me, man? Yeah, what it is, what it do, man. Today, man, got another unboxing video, man. I got another unboxing for you guys, bro. Hey, I know I'm coming back. What I told you, I'm coming back with a lot of unboxing videos this year, man.
I told y'all niggas. Y'all thought I was playing, but I told y'all niggas.
Told you guys I got a whole lot of new content coming you guys' way, bro. And today, man, we got something special, man. This video right here, man, it is sponsored by Industrial Hemp Farms, man. So shout out to Industrial Hemp Farms for the package, man. We about to go ahead and kick it in and see exactly what they got for me, man. As you guys can see, man, I already busted open the pack a little bit, man. I was curious to see what it looked like and what it looked like inside. So I did bust it open, but go ahead and get into it, man. So today, I got the packs, man, as you guys can see, bro. Got the packs, man. Let's see. Yeah, man. Oh, pretty much. I think this is some Delta 8, but I think it's like 8 grams of 8 different strains. Like for one, this one is the orange glaze. It's a gram of that. Some CBD flower. As you guys can see. What else with the other flavor? This is the hemp kush. 1 gram. Got the Hawaiian Express, as you guys can see. And I ain't even gonna lie to you, you guys can kind of smell it through the pack, man. Some of them, man, kind of feel a little crunchy a little bit. But I mean, what you expect is some hemp. I got some more hemp kush, man. Let's see what else. There's some more Hawaiian Express. I think it's pretty much all the same thing. I got some hemp flower called Wife. Never heard that one before, man. Some more orange glaze, some more Wife, orange glaze, and orange glaze. So yeah, man, we got 8 grams, man. We're gonna be trying these strains out, man. I'll be letting you guys know exactly what they're hitting for, bro. You guys stay tuned for those videos, man. This is the unboxing video, so if you guys want to see more of me rolling up and smoking this hemp, man, you guys make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified every time your boy dropping them bangers, you heard me? Like I said, bro, hey, they got some fire shit, man. Like I said, if you guys want to get more products, you guys want to try more products, man, you guys want to see what Industrial Hemp Farms looking like for you, you guys make sure to go in. I'll leave the link down in the description below, so you guys go and follow that link down below. You guys will automatically get a discount as soon as you click on that link. You guys, once you go to checkout, you get a discount. Your boy Cool Easy coming through for y'all, man. So y'all go ahead and do that. And like I said, you guys helping me, I'm helping you. You hear me? So we can both go on both ways with it, man. Got a whole bunch of CBD hemp strains, man. So you guys stay tuned for a new video, man. You guys stay tuned for it, bro. Like I said, we about to rock out. Other than all that, love y'all, man. Hope y'all like this video. Peace. Yup.